What's up, everybody? Tonight we're gonna marinate and grill this beautiful skirt steak. So, cheers and let's cook. This side of my skirt steak is beautiful. We'll flip it over. We got a little grizzling fat that we're gonna trim off here. I'm just gonna try to get my knife right underneath that so we lose as little meat as possible. Just clean this guy up a little bit. That is looking good, so we'll just set that aside and make our marinade. For the marinade, I'm going to go into my bowl with a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/8 of a cup soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, got 4 cloves of crushed garlic or minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano. We'll go in with 2 teaspoons of salt, about a teaspoon of black pepper. Then we'll squeeze in the juice of 1 orange. Which I am also just going to throw that orange right in there. We'll do the same thing with 2 limes. Again, just throwing the limes in there once we squeeze the juice out. Now, just stir all that together, set that aside, and we'll put them together. So I got my skirt steak into a freezer bag, a gallon freezer bag, and I'm just going to pour my marinade over the top. Little pro tip, roll down the edges of your Ziploc bag and it won't get the zipper part dirty. Keep that nice and clean. Now just pour our marinade in. Roll up our bag. Squeeze out as much air as possible. I'm just going to work that marinade, that citrus fruit all around our steak. Pop that back in the bowl. We're going to let that marinate for at least 1 hour, up to 6. See you in a couple hours. I let that marinate for 6 hours, just pulled it out, patted it off with some paper towels. That's going to help you get a nicer sear on it. I got my grill heating up, and it is time to throw it on. Look at that. She is beautiful. It only took about 2.5 minutes per side. Got it to 125 degrees. We'll slice it up. Just want to go on a hard bias. Look at how beautiful that meat is. It smells amazing. All right. Then, to serve it, we'll just sprinkle a little kosher salt or flake salt and hit it with a little cilantro, a little fresh cilantro. You're ready to eat. We have an amazing skirt steak here. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.